Sanitising Ashford. Hospitals and medical centres in Ashford can be sanitised effectively. Slow down COVID-19 by sanitising outside with sodium hypochlorite. All our employees are Softwash system sanitised certificated. We have mobile sanitising units in Ashford, Kent. NHS William Harvey Hospital, contact us now. We can sanitise exterior surfaces for free. Areas such as entrances for public and ambulances. We can help keep your key workers safer. Sanitising slows down viruses. Sanitising needs to be carried out daily by a professional company who has trained employees. Purple Rhino are based in Ashford, and you can contact us on 01233 550 100. Email info@purple-rhino.co.uk. Visit our website purple-rhino.co.uk.